Before getting started with inventory in QuickBooks, you have to enable the feature. Click the gear icon, and then click Account and Settings. Click Sales, and then scroll down to the Products and Services section. The last setting is Track Inventory Quantity on Hand. Click to edit, and turn that on. After turning it on, click Save, and QuickBooks now gives you a warning that QuickBooks is going to track inventory quantity on hand and will now add the items table on expense and purchase forms. Click OK, and QuickBooks turns on inventory. We can now add inventory parts, purchase them, and sell them in QuickBooks. Click Done to complete inventory setup.